Welcome back to Tech Time with you guys. Today we're gonna replacing a vent control valve on 2010 Nissan Versa SL. So let's rock and roll. Well, the part number is CVS67. That is CVS67. All right, basically this is the part, the valve, control valve, and also I just want to let you know the location of the parts will be right under the rear passenger side of the car. And right, like there's a panel, like plastic panel that's covering it, so you gotta take out that panel, and then you should be able to get the access to the part. All right, as you can see right here, this is the panel. You gotta remove the panel. It's a plastic panel. It's held by like 3 clips, really, and the parts will be right here. So we just do that. There. Let's do this one here. There's 3 total. To get access to it. Go. Other one's right here. Let's use a flathead and just take it out, just like that. And here is the. Yeah. Don't stay right under it, please. Dusty, dirty. And the part is right here, as you can see. Alright, first one you do, as you can see the axis right there, you just gotta stay under the car, that's all. So first thing you do is to remove the hose. So just like grab it tightly and just twist, and it should come out. There you go. You can see, and it should be out. That is the hose. Alright, to make my life easier, I was going to do the wire harness second, but instead I'm going to take out the whole parts. So basically what I do is just like grab it and then just twist it like that, and then just pull out just like that, and that's what it is. So now it's easier for me to take out the wire harness. As you can see, it's right here. Okay, this is the part. Just want to show you to you. Alright, let's take this out. This is the wire harness right here. You press the clip, you probably can't see it, and then pull it out just like that, and that is the harness. And here's the parts, and just to grab the new one and replace it, and then we're good to go. Alright, you can see this is very rusty, the outside part of it anyway. But here's a new one. It's a comparison. I want to make sure it's the right size and everything. As you can see, it's the same. There's the new, there's the old, and that's what it is. Want to make sure this is here, and it does come with the new O-ring. So you can see right here, that's the old one, and here's the new one. Make sure it has that, and that is it. And it seems exactly the same. So we are good to go and replace the new one. Alright, someone wanted to install, just make sure you actually should put in the wire harness first, really, and then we can put it into the slot, and then the hose last. Alright, let's do the wire harness real quick. But before you put it in the thing, we just want to clean it a little bit also. You know, this was dirt in there, so that way it's easier. It looks cleaner, no dust or dirt. So let's do the wire harness real quick. Let me see. Here. Kind of tough under the car, you know. Let's go. There it goes. Just snap it back on. So that's in. All right. So basically, you want to align the marking right here. Then you push it in. And then, as you can see, it's not straight, it's a diagonal. And then you just twist it to the right, and it snap like that. And that's how you put it in. Okay, so I can see, you can't take it out. Alright, so now, as you can see, this hole, you just push it in, and just like, you know, wiggle it in, basically. That's what you have to do. I can see it's right there. There's no clips or anything. Just a little tough under the car, you know, unless you have a ramp. And that is it right there, nice and snug, as you can see. And we all done. And we just put the cover back on with 3 clips. Alright guys, that was easy, right? Basic, easy. So basically you need a flathead and the part itself. So the reason, well, the purpose of the replacement was we have the indicator lights on. It's P0456, which is an evap leak. So that's the purpose of why we are replacing the vent control valve. All right, so that was easy. All right guys, thank you for watching Tech Time with T. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, comments, and share. All right, thank you, and you have a good day.